Make a great choice today with the 2026 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Your new ride is just a phone call away.